Hey guys, for this episode, I will show you how to cook Filipino pork Sinigang. We also call this as Sinigang na Baboy. This is easy to make and it tastes so good. Serve this with warm white rice. Are you ready? Let's start cooking. The first thing that we need to do is to saute the pork. Heat up your oil and add the pork belly. We'll just need to cook this while stirring until the pork turns light brown. And then we'll add the onion and the tomatoes. Aside from using pork belly, you can also use pork shoulder or pork ribs. Now, we need to tenderize the pork by boiling it. Here goes the water. And you can also use pork or beef broth. Now we'll just cover the pot and have the liquid boil. And once it boils, adjust the heat to a simmer and continue cooking for about 1 hour. After an hour, this is what it'll look like. Now add your souring agent. This is called the Sinigang sa Sampalok mix. And this is also the proper time to put in the radish. I'm using daikon radish for this recipe. I'm also adding in the eggplant. Use either the Chinese or Japanese variety. Now let's cover the pot and continue to cook for around 5 minutes. And now we'll just season this before adding in the other ingredients. I am using ground black pepper and fish sauce. And you can always use salt as a substitute for fish sauce. Just give it a quick stir. I'm just gonna add more tomatoes and the rest of the vegetable ingredients. Here is our yard-long beans. This is known in the Philippines as sitaw. And I'm also using okra. Just give it a quick stir. And you know what? I like my sinigang to be on the spicy side a little bit. That's why I'm adding finger chilies. You can also use long green pepper for this recipe. Hey, you know what? We're almost done. Just continue cooking this for around 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll be adding our last ingredient. Traditionally, when we say sinigang, we're using water spinach or what we call kangkong. But since it's not available, I'm using an alternative ingredient. You all know what this is. It's spinach. I just turned off the heat after adding the spinach, let it cook for around 2 minutes and then mix it with the rest of the ingredients. And here you have it. All you need to do is transfer this to a bowl and serve this with warm white rice. Try making your own Filipino pork sinigang using this recipe. And let me know how much you like it. Here is our pork sinigang.